Welcome back to Jot's Shop.
You may be wondering what happened to our videos. Why haven't we put any out lately? Did we forget about the F100 or perhaps just lose interest? Or was there something else happening? Today we're going to give you all an update on the current status. But before we start, please remember to subscribe and also ring that notification bell. This really helps our channel get additional viewers as we push to our goal of 1,000 subscribers. You may remember that our initial plan was to send the rolling frame off to the sandblasters. However, we threw that plan out the door since we thought it was going to be too expensive. So, in our infinite wisdom, we said to ourselves, we can do it. Yes, we can. It won't be that hard or take that long. We put our safety equipment on, grabbed our wire wheel, and started to clean. After a few hours, we said, "Selves, you'll be in a rest home before you finish this." So we put down our grinder and called one of our local sandblasting companies. Platinum powder coating was very helpful and gave us a very reasonable price to pick up, sandblast, and deliver our frame back to us. We took off all the suspension parts and got the frame ready for pickup. By the way, Platinum powder coating did not sponsor this video. We just feel we should say good things about companies that do a good job and do what they promised they're going to do. We had big time truck and trailer envy when we saw their hauling combo they pulled up with. We did have to wait a couple of weeks for pickup since they are very busy. We loaded up the frame and sent it down the road to get clean. After a couple of weeks, they scheduled the delivery, and here they are coming back up the road. We got the frame onto our dolly and wheeled it back into the garage. As you can see, they did a very nice job. We're now ready to apply the Master Coat system to protect and paint it, and then replace the old suspension parts and leaf springs with new ones. If you are enjoying our F100 Restoration video series, please let us know by pressing the like button. Also, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell. We really would appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Remember that all comments and suggestions are always welcome.
That's all, folks, and thanks for watching. There's more videos to come on the truck. Bye-bye.